Okay, so we will be talking today about the cube of a binomial. Previously, we talked about the square of a binomial. Now, it's the cube of a binomial. So let's say we have here the cube of x plus y and the cube of x minus y. So, following the pattern of this and getting the product, we have x cubed plus 3x squared y plus 3xy squared plus y cubed. So trying to look at our product, what you're going to follow is simply you're going to cube your first term x, then plus your 3 here is constant, you cannot change that. Then you square your first term, then you're going to multiply your second term added by 3 again, your first term, then the square of your second term, then it will be added by the cube of your second term. So you're going to follow this pattern if we are dealing with this sum of 2 terms, then it will be raised to the power of 3. So you have to remember that. And take note, exponents are descending. If we started with your highest degree here, 3, with respect to x, your following would also be diminished by 1. So we had 3, 2, 1, while your second term y, it is ascending. So this is of first degree or first power, it ascends, so it will become y squared, then it will become y cubed. Now, if you will simplify the cube of x minus y, this will become now x cubed, just like what we did in our first pattern above. Then minus, instead of plus, it will become minus. So thrice the square of your first term multiplied by your second term plus thrice the product of your first term and the square of your second term, then it will become minus again, subtracted by the cube of your second term. So let's have an example. Let's say we have 3x plus 2, then this will be raised to the power of 3. So we are going to use our first pattern written above. What we're going to do, we are going to cube your first term, which is 3x, this will be raised to the power of 3. Then plus, copy your 3, then you're going to square your first term. So again, 3x, it will be squared. Then your second term, we are going to write it because it will be multiplied. Then plus, again, you write your 3. Then first term, your first term is 3x. Then it will be multiplied by the square of your second term, which is 2. Then added by the cube of your second term. So let us simplify. Now, what is the cube of 3x? This is going to become 27x cubed. Why 27x cubed? Because 3x, if this monomial will be raised to the power of 3, then it will become 3 cubed. And 3 cubed is 27 because 3 times 3 times 3. Then plus, this will become, okay, let us simplify it by part. So we have 3, then simplify this. What is square of 3x? This will become 9x squared multiplied by 2 plus this is 3 times 3x multiplied by 4 plus 2 cubed is 8. So we have 27x cubed plus what is 3 times 9? This is 27 times 2, this is 54x squared. Then plus what is 3 times 3? This is 9. 9 times 4, it's 36 times x. So we have 36x plus 8. So this is now the simplified form of this cube of such given binomial. Another, let's say we have 2x squared minus 4y cubed. Then it will be raised to the power of 3. So again, we are going to raise your first term to the power of 3. So we have 2x squared raised to the power of 3 minus, because this is minus 3 times this square will be the first term. So we have 2x squared, Then copy your second term. We have 4y cubed. Then plus, again, 3 multiplied by your first term, 2x squared multiplied by 4y cubed raised to the power of 2. Then minus, we have the cube of 4y cubed. Okay, let us simplify. So what is the cube of 2x squared raised to the power of 3? This will become 8 because 2 cubed is 8. Then x squared raised to the power of 3, that will become x raised to the power of 6. Then we have here minus. Let us simplify this. We have 3 times, what is the square of 2x squared? That is 4x to the power of 4 times, you copy that, we have 4y cubed. Then plus, this is 3 multiplied by 2x squared. Then what is the square of 4y cubed? This is 16. 16y raised to the power of 6, right? Correct? Then this one, this will become now, what is cube of 4y cubed? 4 cubed is equal to 64. So we have 64, then y cubed raised to the power of 3, that would become y raised to the power of 9. So let us simplify now. We have 8x raised to the power of 6 minus 3 times 4, that is equal to 12, correct? Then 12 times 4, that is equal to 48. 48, x to the power of 4 times y cubed, just copy. You cannot combine the exponents because we have two different bases. So x to the power of 4 y cubed. Then plus, how about this? We have 3 times 2, it is 6. 6 times 16, that would be equal to 96. So we have 96. Then x squared times y to the power of 6, it is x squared y raised to the power of 6. Then you copy this, minus 64 y raised to the power of 9. So that's it. This is now the simplification of the cube of two binomials. Thank you.